Hey, this is here from Hexel.com. Today is not Android related topic, but I think it's quite interesting. We're gonna talk about web crawling and scraping. Why would you need to scrape websites? Well, maybe there is a website that you would like it to have a public API, but they don't have it. You can create one by scraping it. And there is two types of pages, static and dynamic. Dynamic is the JavaScript generated content. It's a bit more complex, but let's start with static first. If you have a static page, you can just use any HTML parser library. For Java is JSoup. Yeah, and just get the page HTML code and parse it with this library. Simple, and you can put this code in your app or create your API to use over all the platforms that you have. But what if the page is dynamic and there is a bunch of JavaScripts in there? You won't be able to use JSoup or those libraries because you need to run JavaScript. You can execute a script with from Java. Probably I haven't done it. What I'm using is a Selenium framework. It's a framework for testing websites basically, but you can use it as for crawling and scraping, and it has implementation in all the different languages, but we're not gonna use Java. We're gonna use Python because sometimes it's easier to switch language to the language which is more common to use in the context that you wanna use it. For example, Python is very common in this kind of area, and finding stuff for Selenium Python tutorials and Stack Overflow questions is really easy compared to Java. And finding libraries is easy on Python as well. Alright, so first let's make sure you have a Python installed. Then download Gecko driver, create a new folder, and extract Gecko driver here. Then create a new Python code. And insert all this code in it. You can get it from the GitHub repo. This is just a simple Facebook login. You need to insert your email and password. And as you see, you can use either Firefox or Chrome. Chrome is not included in Gecko driver. You need to download the Chrome driver. From here. And you can use either. And as you see, the executable path is to the driver. You can add those drivers to your environment path, and so that you don't have to include it each time in your projects. And let's see what we will have. As you see, it opens Chrome and tries to log in with the wrong password, of course. Yeah, and you probably will need to install all those packages. If you first thing is of course you need to install Selenium. As you see, there is a bunch of methods for finding views, finding elements by IDs, and XPath, all the stuff. If you don't like that you're having a browser open, or you want to put it on the server later, use Phantom.js, and you won't have a browser open, but it has some limitations with finding elements by IDs. You can't use the IDs, but the XPath and the attributes works well. So it's will require quite time. And the good thing is that there is a bunch of stuff on Stack Overflow with this topic. You can find answers really easy. Alright, tell me if you like this topic, so that and yeah, thanks for watching.